Hello everyone, welcome back to the maths class of Mount Litra Z School, Surat. In today's session, I am going to explain word problems from your chapter 5 decimal numbers checkpoint 3. As you can see here, word problem third says Jaya swims the first half of the race in 32.34 seconds and the last half of the race in 34.83 seconds. How long did it take her to swim in the whole race? Complete race that you have to tell that how long did it take her to swim. Now what you will do for that? So we'll start to write. What is given? Jaya swims the first half of the race. We'll start to write a statement. Jaya swims the first half of the race in 32.34 seconds. Clear? Now the last half of the race in how many seconds? 34.83. The last half of the race in 34.83 seconds. Now here you can check decimal places are equal, so no need to make any changes in that because already this is given equal. Now how long will it take her to swim the whole race? So the whole race she is going to complete what you will do? You will add. Let me add 4 plus 3 7, 8 plus 3 11, then carry 1, 4 2 1 6 and 1 7 and 3 plus 3 6. So how long did it take to her to swim the whole race? 67.17 seconds. This is your answer. Clear? Now we'll move to the next problem, and it says the thickness of a mattress is 7.5 centimeter and another mattress is 9.7 centimeter. What would be the thickness of two mattresses together when placed one on the top of the other? That means the height will increase and you have to add the thickness of the mattress. So what we will do? We are going to add the given thickness of the mattress. Clear? So we'll write a statement. What is given? The thickness of a mattress is 7.5 centimeter and the thickness of another mattress that is given 9.75 centimeter. What you have to find? What would be the thickness? The thickness will increase because it's going to be placed one on the top of the other. So now the thickness would be that what you will do, you will add, but before the adding the decimal numbers you will check whether their decimal places are equal or not. Okay, so here we are going to check. Here we have two decimal places and here we have only one. So what is the rule? That many zeros you have to place behind of the digit. Now you can see the decimal places are equal. Now you add the numbers, and you know that how to add the numbers. 5 plus 0, 5. 7 minus 5, 12. Carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10. And 10 plus 7, 17. So 17.25 is your answer. Very easy question. Now the next word problem we have. Question 5 says Karan scored 56.83 point and Arjun scored 74.92 points. How many fewer points did Karan score than Arjun? Now whose scores are less? Karan, because he scored 56.83. So that fewer points you have to find, you have to calculate. So what you will do for that? What is given? Very first you will write a statement for the solution, and solution says that you have to get their difference. So whose scored are more? Arjun. Yeah, so Arjun scored how many points? 74.92 points. Then Karan scored 56.83. Here decimal places are equal, so we won't make any changes in that. Now how many fewer points did Karan score than Arjun? So Karan got less, so that difference you will get. Now Karan scored fewer points than Arjun. Now get the difference. So for difference you will minus it. Now 12, it will become 12. 12 minus 3 and it will go 8. Then it will become 14 and it will become 6. Yes. Now 12 minus 3, 9. 8 minus 8, 0. 14 minus 6, 8. And 6 minus 5, 1. So 18.09 points. This is your answer. And you know that how to add, how to subtract the decimal numbers. Now the last word problem we have, it says that Sammy has to go to his uncle's place, and which is 103.57 kilometer away, and he traveled 25.5 kilometer by the bus and 67.45 kilometer by train, and rest by boat. That you have to first calculate how much distance does he travel by boat. So what you will do for that? Very first you will calculate the total traveling which is traveled by Semi, by bus and by train, and get that total and subtract from the distance. Yeah. So for the solution, and solution says what is given. First you have to calculate total distance traveled by him by bus and by train. So he traveled by bus 25.5 kilometer And by train, he traveled by train 67.45 kilometer. Now total traveled, here decimal places is not equal, so we'll insert one extra 0 and that will come here. Now simple you add 5 plus 0 5, 549, 549 and 6 to 8, 89.25.50 60, oh it says 67.45. Clear? So 549 752 12 and 6 plus 2 9. Let me erase this so you will calculate it. So 5 plus 0 5, 549, 7 5 12 and 6 7 8 and 8 1 carry, that will come 9, 92.95 kilometer. Fine. Now how much distance he traveled by boat? So what you will do, he traveled by boat from the total distance that was given 103.57, you will subtract the traveling which is traveled by him by bus and by train, and that we calculated 92.95. Here decimal place is equal, so we'll easily calculate. And what we'll do, here we are going to subtract 103.57, 92.95, and this will come in kilometer. 7 minus 5 2, yeah. Now 15 minus 9, it will come 6, 2 minus 2 0, and 10 minus 9 1. So he traveled by boat 10.62 kilometer. This is your answer. So this way we have completed our milestone. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.